Hey everyone, Jordyn Gummer here with the Uncommon Ground Bozeman and Helena real estate team. Today we're making a warm spinach and roasted red pepper dip. It's great for these fall days. It's cheesy, it's delicious, and it's super easy to make. We get a lot of requests for this dip every time we make it. So all I've done today is I've browned up 4 tablespoons of butter. And I've got 2 large leeks right here, just chopped thinly. And we're just going to pour these in and let them brown up. Alright, so we've got our softened leeks right here in the bowl. They're softened but not browned. Now we're also going to add the rest of our ingredients. We've got 2 cups of mayo, 2 cups of Parmesan cheese, then we've got 2 14-ounce cans of artichokes. These are just diced, drained and then diced. Put these in here. Then we've got 1 14-ounce can, also diced, of roasted red peppers. We've got 1 teaspoon of garlic. And then mixed together here we've got a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne and a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. And then we're just going to mix this all together. Once it's mixed, we're going to get it in the casserole dish and it'll bake at 350 for 20 minutes. Alright, so this just came out of the oven. It's nice and brown. And, you know, it gets super cheesy, it's nice and gooey, it's delicious. So what we usually serve it with is bagel chips. You can also use nice fresh baguette. You could maybe even make some little garlic bread chunks, and this is absolutely delicious. So we'll have the recipe following at the end of the credits. So we hope you like watching, and we hope you try this recipe out. Bye!